Okay, today we're installing W2DIN 6 inches screen. To install this, you have to cut your center console here, like this, right here, this piece, to install it. Make sure it's gonna fit like this, because you need every room you need. So it's gonna look like this. Okay, and the next step, you take this out, get stuck. Okay, now I just wanted to share with you guys that what tool did I use. Use this kind of drill because the regular drill won't fit in here. You have to make a holes to hold this aluminum brackets that made from aluminum corners, right? That's what you call, I guess. But anyway, to make it drill it, and you gotta use those bits, not the bolts, but these kind of things right here, so you don't have to hold it with your wrench or anything. But anyway, that's how it looks inside, and these wires are on the way. So when you gonna install DVD player, you have to make sure it sticks out about maybe about ½ inch or ¼ inch, so it will look perfect on your center console cover. But anyway, I'm gonna show you. Here's a DVD player. It's 6 inch. That's what we're gonna put it on. And that's what I have to make. Also the brackets to hold the whole DVD unit, similar to this rails here that I make. Those rails are only for to adjust your angle, because if you don't put them on, your DVD player will just gonna drop down because of wires right here. You can push it up, but it's still not good because it's so hard to push up. But anyway, those rails control your level for your DVD, so it won't fall in like this, and it keeps straight the whole your dash. So that's the plan today. Now we got everything is good, so now we have to figure out the wires. This is old connector from my old CD player, but we're gonna disconnect and connect this one here for the new DVD player. Okay, so I'm gonna show you later on how we did and see if it's gonna work. So here's the results after we install DVD player 6 inches. See if this is